Welcome to Nexus AI, where we transform complex technology into stories anyone can understand, powered entirely by artificial intelligence. Today, we explore multimodal AI, systems that see, hear, and interpret the world through multiple inputs, reshaping industries everywhere. Imagine uploading a photo, asking a question with your voice, and getting back both a written explanation and annotated image. In healthcare, multimodal AI now analyzes scans with accuracy rivaling expert doctors, spotting diseases earlier than traditional methods. Farmers are using it too, snapping photos of crops and receiving instant diagnoses of diseases with suggested treatments. And in everyday life, assistants like GPT-4o, Gemini, and Grok can answer mixed queries with voice, images, and text combined. Here's how you can try it yourself. First, upload an image, maybe a chart, photo, or even a handwritten note. Next, ask a question. Type it or speak naturally. For example, explain this diagram in simple steps. Finally, receive a multimodal output. Text explanation paired with visual highlights, or even an audio summary. This power is already revolutionizing research, with Google's AI co-scientists designing experiments across biology, chemistry, and physics. In classrooms, multimodal AI tutors explain topics with words, diagrams, and simulations, adapting instantly to every student's learning style. In gaming, characters are becoming truly interactive, responding not just to your commands, but to voice, gestures, and even expressions. By 2025, multimodal AI is expected to power 60% of enterprise solutions, transforming industries at record speed. In healthcare, AI doesn't just detect, it predicts, combining patient history, voice notes, and scans into personalized treatment plans. Education is shifting too. Imagine AI tutors, explaining history through interactive timelines, maps, and voice narrations. Even creative arts are evolving. Musicians, writers, and filmmakers now use multimodal AI to generate visuals, sound, and text together. Step into agriculture again, where AI drones scan entire fields, spotting crop diseases weeks before the human eye could. In cities, AI analyzes camera feeds, traffic audio, and sensor data to improve safety, efficiency, and sustainability. Try it yourself. OpenAI's GPT-4o lets you upload a photo, ask a voice question, and get an instant multimodal explanation. This isn't the future, it's now. Millions already use these platforms to study, create, and solve real-world problems daily. Scientists use multimodal AI to accelerate discoveries by combining text research, lab images, and experimental data seamlessly. In creative industries, designers now generate prototypes by sketching on paper, then letting AI convert it into 3D visual models. Voice, image, and text inputs are merging into one. This fusion makes AI feel more human, more natural, and more useful. In healthcare, one multimodal AI system reduced diagnosis errors by 20% across thousands of patient cases in trials. In gaming, multimodal AI drives storylines that adapt to your words, emotions, and playstyle, creating unique experiences every time. In classrooms, multimodal tutors give feedback on student handwriting, voice answers, and even emotional tone during learning. Already, enterprises are embedding multimodal AI in customer service, allowing users to show, speak, and type their issues. Accessibility is another frontier. Multimodal AI turns spoken words into live captions and images into descriptions for the blind. By blending vision, speech, and language, these systems bring more people into the digital world than ever before. This shift is why multimodal AI is considered the next revolution in computing, equal to the rise of the internet itself. Multimodal AI thrives because it learns like humans, combining sight, sound, and language into a richer understanding. In science, this means faster breakthroughs, as AI scans thousands of research papers and visuals, summarizing patterns instantly. In medicine, AI combines doctors' notes, patient voice recordings, and test results into one unified health analysis. Already, multimodal AI reduced medical misdiagnoses in trials, protecting patients and saving hospitals millions in costs. In classrooms, students benefit from AI tutors that explain not only with words, but with visuals and interactive simulations. In art, creators combine sketches, voice prompts, and music into fully formed AI-generated films and performances. Businesses use it in customer support, where multimodal AI interprets voice tone, photos, and text to resolve issues faster. Entertainment is transforming too, with AI-driven music that adapts to your mood, gestures, and spoken lyrics. By 2025, education, healthcare, and enterprise will all rely on multimodal systems for their most critical operations. This is why experts call multimodal AI not just an upgrade, but the foundation of the next technological era. Unlike earlier AI, multimodal systems understand context by combining inputs, making their answers smarter and more human-like. This makes them especially powerful in law and finance, analyzing documents, voice notes, and charts together. Emergency response teams also use multimodal AI, interpreting camera footage, radio calls, and sensor data in real time. In agriculture, AI combines drone footage, soil sensor data, and farmer voice notes for precision farming decisions. These systems also power smart cities, blending traffic visuals, public audio, and weather data to reduce congestion. Entertainment platforms already integrate multimodal AI, letting viewers interact with shows using gestures and spoken questions. In gaming, this means NPCs don't just hear your commands, they watch your gestures and respond with emotion. In classrooms, AI adapts lessons by reading students' handwriting, speech pace, and attention levels during sessions. By merging senses, multimodal AI closes the gap between how humans think and how machines understand. This is why experts see it as a cornerstone of artificial general intelligence, AI that learns and reasons like us. In research, multimodal AI assists scientists by analyzing experiment videos, lab notes, and chemical data at once. This speeds up drug discovery, with AI identifying promising compounds months faster than human researchers alone. In space exploration, multimodal AI interprets rover images, audio from sensors, and surface data to guide missions. Educators are already using it to create interactive lessons blending narration, visuals, and student voice participation. Enterprises deploy multimodal AI to scan reports, analyze sales charts, and interpret meeting recordings instantly. Security is advancing too, as AI combines camera feeds, sound analysis, and biometric data to detect threats faster. In customer retail, shoppers upload photos, speak preferences, and receive AI-curated recommendations in seconds. Even language learning is enhanced, as AI combines speech correction, text exercises, and image prompts for fluency. By 2025, multimodal AI is no longer niche. It's the backbone of business, science, and culture worldwide. And it's just the beginning. Future systems will process video, gestures, and environment data in real time for richer interaction. In gaming, multimodal AI creates adaptive worlds, reacting to a player's speech, movements, and even facial expressions. Storytelling evolves too, with AI generating plots from sketches, voice prompts, or even a single image. In robotics, multimodal AI lets machines combine vision, touch, and voice commands for smarter collaboration. Future homes will see AI assistants managing schedules, entertainment, and appliances through voice, video, and sensors. Global enterprises predict multimodal AI will power over 60% of solutions by 2025, redefining productivity. Education leaders expect every major learning platform to integrate multimodal features for deeper engagement. Healthcare will gain real-time triage tools, combining patient speech, scans, and wearable sensor data. And agriculture will use drones with multimodal AI, combining video, soil scans, and weather data for precision farming. These innovations are reshaping economies, with AI projected to add trillions to global GDP this decade. Yet challenges remain. Ethical use, privacy, and bias demand responsible design and governance. Still, multimodal AI promises a future where human creativity and machine intelligence evolve together. Before we close, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Which multimodal AI use excites you the most? Remember, this entire video was generated by AI, from script to visuals, through Nexus AI. At Nexus AI, our mission is to make complex technology simple and accessible to everyone. If you enjoyed this, hit like, share, and subscribe for more AI-powered insights every week.